koro or you dey hear me whine. I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, Star Times channel 195, channel 17 for My TV, and those when they online, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. And I salute to this fresh new week. Based on saying that the last Monday for the month of August, and by Wednesday we will enter the new month of September based on Ember things on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, and the Action Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show. As in the heart, we tell you say every weekday we dey hit you now with all the action story where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. They discuss the issue them as in the heart. Give you license to chook mouth inside and talk am the way the team be you for body. My name na Ezugo Chokwuote, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when Sabi while I stay concerning political matter. As in the heart.
Yes, a beautiful Monday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Now the tear-over edition of our Ogbonge program. That political program we always talk it is such now different political activities that they happen for Nigeria. Today we're not go different because we get like 5 solid story for now. That is 5 solid story where they make the headline. And now it will also search so at least by the time we go open our phone lines now video it now office also we contribute now only 2 quarters to the whole discussion because we know so at least as we talk we know so government they hear us so that we know the right steps they will take. My name is change. My name is Ankubi. And this time, ask Ide Hall.
We don't go waste time. We go tear the nylon, come out on top of all of our action to them. Because they give you now one after the other until we reach 5. We go discuss these issues them. What people they call extensively, so that you go get all the main gist. Then when we throw our phone lines open, you go chook mouth inside. And the first one get to do with nursery rhyme when they sing for primary school. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Make I break them down, make everybody understand. This Saturday went past, going on Sunday. It be like say heaven can't decide say. All the dirty water when they inside there, may they all pour the thing, enter inside earth. And the place where the thing come direct now inside Nigeria. As reports come and say for places like Abuja, Sokoto, Lagos, and other parts of Nigeria, say the kind of rain went for that Saturday going on Sunday, the thing plenty. Farmer they happy when rain they fall, but if it can't they reach one level, it go come begin the shock, especially when it is non full gutter, full canal, can't they enter inside different parts of the society. This one because of say for a very long time we don't talk say global warming, greenhouse effect. Say the environment don't reach one level when we say it don't they behave anyhow. That is, it don't they raise shoulder, they behave anyhow. And we as a people supposed to prepare ourselves for waiting they come. Some people they throw dirty inside drainage that is gutter and it's on the block. This is called the result in flooding for different parts of Sokoto. You get one report when come and talk say one boy when be 3-year-old said the boy based on say the wall of their house the thing fall on top of them for 3 a.m. when we say then they sleep. People come and talk say why it be say we they use our hand do ourselves. Even if government do their best to ensure say planning day. Some kind of badness when we say some people they use their hand do the thing they put the environment at risk. Government come and talk say then they encourage people when they live for area where we say whether you like them or not. Once rain fall, the thing go rise like Gary Jebu. Maybe people come out for that place. Other people go to talk say government need to do more. Maybe just to tell them they come out. When I go provide places where we say they go stay. We go to discuss these particular stories and we're going to give us advice on what we do based on government and people to use the ensure say Nigerians then they safe when rain they fall.
And yeah, from there we go straight to that is the trending Lassa fever alert. We don't hit them there. That is what they hit Nigeria right now. And from the report we get, we hear say and we say this same Lassa fever we say we don't do it. We don't really at least push come out. Don't they resurface again because from the report we get Lagos State don't place the local government under alert. So make they do it. Make them put their eye on ground, put their ear on ground, and sure say at least when it comes to health and when it comes to Lassa, say they don't want to do it, they don't want to hear at all. They don't want to ensure say he enter the state. And from the report we hear, we say at least states like Delta, Ondo, Edo, Anambra, and a couple of other states also don't do it. So we don't hear case say get some where they play out for these places. From the report we hear about 32 persons for Delta State. Now they don't put under severe check to the monitor say okay this person they check this person because people say all these people they get Lassa fever. And apart from that, the federal government also don't do it. Don't they also monitor about 59 people on top of this same sickness. So, but basically, the major thing is that at least we don't be aware, say yes, this fever don't do it, this fever don't come again. How we say we do it collectively ensure say at least those things when they bring, when they invite the disease, make we do it, make we keep our environment clear, ensure say at least we know do it, at least it no affect us. And this story and more will see they come up. But right about now, make we do it, make we quickly go for this break. When we come back, the story continues as it is hot.
Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. Now don't hear the first, second story, and we dey go third, give you fourth, fifth, come give you license to chook mouth this side. And the third one get to do with the warning when Oga Presido give militants them when in there for inside Nairobi, the capital of Kenya. Oga Presido dey attend the Tokyo International Conference on African Development, TICAD. In can draw here when they follow news story, people talk say militants. If una no stop to dey bomb this bomb, you want at the bomb inside of Nigeria, una go get the Boko Haram treatment. Plenty people come and talk say, wait, oh. If like say anytime when Oga Presido, they travel come up for inside of Nigeria, in they tell in cook, the chief cook, say, please, as we are going, cook okra soup. So that when I get there, I'm going to eat it. Because the people talk say, like, every time when he chop this okra soup, in the draw. Based on say the way when you all they talk. Other people come and talk say, yes. The primary responsibility of the president is to ensure say the country they intact. Say some kind of people when they do like say they won't spoil this country, it's supposed they give them clear warning. Some people come and say no, you know they right. Say based on say even the militants they don't decide say, okay, oh, make we negotiate. We won't sit down with Wole Soyinka. We won't sit down with Ojus Okalu. We won't sit down with some kind of people. Why you gonna talk this kind of thing? You don't think that this kind of thing go provoke them to anger? Other people come talk say, Oga President get the right to talk am. Based on say as president, you're not supposed to talk like say you dey fear people or you dey beg them. And if we don't tell these people say we won't negotiate with them, we no go just allow them. They behave anyhow based on the way things they inside our country. Now the third story based on As E Dey Hot.
Yes, and from that third story, we go enter straight into the fourth one. We get to do with our Senate them. That's it, they want to do it. They want probe, and that is hunger where they happen for, that is for IDP camps. We did very much aware, say yes, from report we hear recently, that last week, say about 5 point something people go feed that is go feed suffer from food starvation for the northeast of Nigeria. Maybe now we will believe so they ginger this probe where the Senate one probe. But then for Senate to come and talk say that they probe this, people come to ask, China now they just hear about this particular matter where they happen for IDP. Say first things first, we hear of say that they kidnap food for IDP. We no see action. We hear say about at least 20 to at least 30 people, that is ranging, going by the statistics we get, about over 20 people they do it. They die for 20 camps every day, and as a result of it, as a result of malnutrition. We no see any result. We can also hear say the office of the president do it, carry ginger, declare state of emergency for IDP level. Under the supervision of the vice president, to make them do it, make them sure they find solution to the issue of IDP. As we speak, we never see solution. China now we know so the book on that now they realize say at least they suppose don't they do something about them. People will say them be integral member of our society, of our country. Now they want to see they want probe. No, even enter into action. Now probe. So, which means probe go mean say they will set up committee before they will do it, before they enter into the main issue. Come on, our senators. Me not ginger. Me not be the kind of action we want from Nabidis. I beg. Thank you very much.
Thank God say you dey even dey beg them based on say.
You don't do. Give your story. Don't.
No, you can't stop me from talking. But I just want to say that. Thank God say you dey beg them because we know say now your people them they control that thing. But I still have a word for you after I give my final story. And the final one get to do with negotiation between militants and the federal government of Obodo, Nigeria. Some people talk say some kind of controversy they enter inside the arrangement. That is to say, it be like say Sansan they enter inside the Gari. Because today we go here and say we are willing to negotiate. We are ready to negotiate. Negotiate with these people on our behalf. Then tomorrow we go here. We didn't say we are willing to negotiate. We didn't say we are ready to negotiate. We didn't say negotiate with these people on our behalf. People come there and say, wait, in fact, people vex say militant wanna go sew uniform. Make una sew uniform, wanna get badge, wanna get ID card. Make we even know the ones who they even follow talk at all. Now make Oga President vex when he go Kenya and say, waiting they happen now. This one talk from this side of him, this one talk from this side of him. Who am I talking to? Now you make a contact say go give them militants Boko Haram treatment if they no stop the badness when they do. But people won't come and contact say it go good, make we sit down, discuss, because if we check the past 1 year when we say this badness they happen, even though our soldier people they try their best, it just be like say somehow. And we never still get control of the situation, even though we dey on top of the situation. People go, they look say, okay, we go dey watch this one keenly to see. And if these people, when they say that they talk, say they be militants, they really claim, say they be our brothers, and they fight for the interest of the people. And all this bombing, all this badness, it go dey cause more problem. Make them stop am, make the environment no continue to dey spoil based on the oil spillage. This now all the action story we don't carry come. We go discuss these stories them. Come give you license to chook mouth this side and talk am the way the thing be for. But you remember, As it is, na the only democracy when you're on top of television, because you go talk and do anything be you for body. We know they talk say make you insult or rubbish the name of person, but just talk and do anything be you for body. And you know they fear to make mistake, because now the language when everybody understand, we they speak.
Yes. And Chukwudi, I'm going by the stories we don't give. This issue of flood will they affect different states for Obodo Nigeria. And I start to say seriously, call for serious concern, because if we look at this, they happen every year. Now yearly thing, now natural thing say rain go fall. But then we don't also see cases of flood affecting states for a lot of states for Obodo Nigeria. You understand? And we as much as we know it's a natural disaster or rather than a natural thing, we serve on our own part, because we for Lagos State under the last administration under Fashola, we know as they take duty, they take ensures at least they pre-inform Nigeria, say look, without they enter the period of flood, see make now not do this thing, make now avoid this thing, so that at least we're not going to experience too much flood for the area. These are now the kind of actions we're supposed to see from some of our state government and all that. But then you have to say once it happened, they'll say they don't lose millions, they don't lose properties, they don't lose this. Yet, no immediate action will be taken. But then if we put all those measures, ensure, okay, next year rain will follow, see what we feed do to ensure so at least this rain, affect us the way they affect us now. I don't say if it affect, but then make it not reach the level where we dey. Because if countries like America, and a couple of other European countries, if they experience them. But now no me say we serve, no me say our country did that perfect. We experience them. But then there are measures we need to take to ensure at least the height of it no go reach the way they experience them.
Very true. But it go good make we look the situation, so that it no go be like say government know they do what they're supposed to do, or the people know they try. The situation on ground now say, if we look, those when we say that they check weather or geography, you get what they call ozone layer depletion and the greenhouse effect. If you check out the way when we say rain they fought 10 years ago, don't different from the way when the thing day now, because if you check the way when we say the earth or the world don't day now, based on weather things, the thing on the extreme. If sun they shine, the thing they shine well. If rain they fall, the thing they fall well. But not be say we no go prepare. We they prepare. Like for example, you get what they call master plan. Master plan na map where you get to use prepare for particular area. Take for example, if we talk say we want to restore the Abuja master plan. The original drawing of Abuja, when we say they use draw, say okay, here na park, here na gutter, here na where people fit build house. Now here na where people fit build okay, Abuja no they get shop, malls. Based on those of us where they live for this big man area.
Go ahead, please. It's okay.
Which one is go ahead? I they talk. So why you they read meaning to what they talk? I say based on those of us where they live for big man area, we don't have shop, we have malls. Let me continue. Don't cut me. Now, if we talk say we want to restore, it go dey very difficult now to restore the plan, because even we don't use our hand spoil the plan. Who they sell the land give people? If this place when I talk say make now only
now take this
exactly now only this place now residential area.
Because funny enough, if people we don't map out a particular lay down platforms, okay, see as a particular city go dey, they don't go and say okay, in eventualities, in cases of rain, if you affect them. In case of some kind, things, disaster, if you affect them. Now people say don't go and check and they say okay, make we put the plans on ground. But then,
but then again, we can check them. If we talk say ozone layer depletion, the geography, the setup don't reach one level when we say the thing on the hard. If small rain fall, rain when we say before if it fall, it could just go down after 2 days, but now the thing on the cause flood. You get some things what we do. Technology don't give us some kind of advantage. We go make us feel cushion the effect. At least based on say Lagos mega city status.
With the population where you get to,
we put Sansan on top of Atlantic Ocean. So it go dey very good make we fit they study all these things. Now why emphasis on say okay, make una study this thing, make una know how other societies for the parts of this world how they take address this particular issue. And then again, informing people. You when you think say, oh, why should I leave trash for Loma? Why should I pay Aboki to pour? Me I just pour am. Oh, daddy, rain is falling. The gutter is going.
No.
Now say pour it.
You get one woman who say, "Wow, no."
Who could be no say woman when you know?
No.
Now they use all these kind. Wait, hold on.
Listen to that.
You two hold on. Wait.
Listen to the example.
Why if you say all the example? All the example where you they give. All the example where they give. If you they use bad example, you they use other people. One woman when I know.
No.
You still live in your compound.
She used to.
Do you have a personal relationship with the woman?
Na mama mado.
Do you have a personal relationship with her? Which one
neighbor
Mama
she be.
Which one? You know be Papa Madu. Which one be Mama Madu?
Hold on now.
She's your neighbor, right? Thank you. Because all this.
Hold on. I'll still give this example.
We are noting.
Whether you like it or not.
I'm just saying it so that we are noting this thing now. We can turn to police statement. Continue.
This is what we say. Anytime we say she carry any small thing, that's the way she go do it. She go throw her for gutter. Anytime she carry, you go throw her for gutter.
Want to say she won't play basketball, but she miss her calling.
She go talk say water go carry out. According to you, I can't say, Mama, this way they throw for gutter. You know where they end up. Rain they fall. You know the amount of water where they do it. Where they normally they full every they fall. She can't say leave that thing. So she under the she can't try am. Now when I call her, I say, if you don't stop this thing, I'll go report you.
Nice one. Good citizen.
I'll go report you. I want to report you.
Citizen Unkubi.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. And that's what I've always been. I'll go report you. And if you don't stop them, see, by the time I report, they'll come carry you.
And they suspect say na your room. And they suspect say na your room there at the end of the gutter. Now why you even take her? Because you don't. I don't think you have a good heart. You know they go church. So I'm surprised. But you did well. You did well. You did well. And now one way when we say we go to encourage our people, them say, if you see people they do this thing, tell them say this is the way they do the thing. They
no good, yeah.
And if the person continue, we must take this thing down to the local government level. If it can't be like say local government, they no get work again. Based on say everything they happen for state and for center. Make them feel do can say this particular flooding, because if you watch videos, see different things, they see all these kind of difficulties. The thing they cause problem inside this our Obodo Nigeria.
We get our first caller. Oga Chijioke, good morning. Chijioke from where they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Oga Chijioke.
Great fair. Ojo.
Okay, Ojo, you're welcome to Aside Hot.
I love your program.
Thank you very much.
I will follow you on our program. This is my first caller.
We appreciate this your call, and we hope say you go to call more and tell your friends to call.
I swear to you now they talk about the event. Understand? So what you make the people now? Decide government or local government, they don't want, because they know how they are benefiting on it. I could remember when I was too small, even in the streets, or maybe the person that answered the name of the street can call restaurant or whatever, do the road. But this time around, the local government don't want anybody to do anything about it. Even the federal government don't want the state to do their road. The state don't want the local government to do their road. What are we doing in this country? At least that rain of a thing now or whatever, it's like now, to this side or whatever. You can see a person now, in a house without a gutter. If you reach the floor, we enter the whole street. The whole street is and everybody, if you want to buy car, you can buy car. You go for jeep. Nothing concerns you about the
True.
Yes. Give them the opportunity to do anything they wanted to do. If they can be able to give the individual something to do, at least this country will never put into this mess, because they wanted to ride jeep. They wanted to build a house. Whatever you give them a contract to do, they will do anything they like on the road. After rain or whatever, you see that road being bad again. And at the end of the day, instead of them to do, even they wanted to patch a road, even the local government, if you see what they are patching, oh my goodness, I don't know. The money, this morning, all of us will leave this money one day and go. And the money still remains.
Very true.
So what I'm trying to say, if they want you to do anything they want you to do, let them do it and do it well.
Yes.
It's not about the money.
Very true. Oga Chijioke, we don't note this your important point. You don't emphasize on the first story when we carry come about the flood, and you don't talk say it go good, make it be say, make we know they do the work so that next year we'll come do them again based on say they will give us the contract next year. This is money we'll continue to chop. Make we do and make it day permanent, because all these small things, that is when we say later the thing will cause plenty problem for different people inside Obodo Nigeria. We hope say those when the government don't hear, our people when they for us don't hear and they don't take the necessary action to use their short say we go work together to use say this one come out. From that particular story we go enter another story when get to do with we working and government also doing a lot of work to use the ensure say Lassa fever. That's yamayama disease when we say rat. They come from dirty place. They carry come put for inside our food. Say the thing no come back inside Nigeria again. Everybody go remember say it don't there for a very long time. Even though it no reach the scale when it did early this year when they be announced say Lassa fever or the thing no enter inside Obodo Nigeria. They don't advise people say okay, we'll make you ensure say your food items like gari, like beans, like rice, all those grains them. Make una they cover and make una they seal them. Keep your house clean so that rat no go they enter. It don't even reach one level where we say it be like say cockroach, mosquito, ant, rat. They follow us drag house. We go they look say they don't have anywhere to stay. Let's allow them stay there. It don't make sense, because these things they cause disease when we say they cause problem. If as a people with government we pursue Ebola come up for inside Obodo Nigeria, And some people going to talk say the reason why government take Ebola serious now because of say you know they know poor man, you know they know rich man. For example, rich man people talk say I don't eat gari.
I don't eat gari.
I eat wheat. I eat wheat.
You know they even touch anybody anyhow.
Yeah, I eat wheat. I don't touch anybody. You know those of us we don't touch people anyhow.
I mean,
all those kind of things. All those ones no go fit work because that they say health is wealth. And you don't feel know how the thing go take affect you based on this Lassa fever something.
You know what funny thing about this particular issue? I remember the last time we talk about this particular issue, we invited Dr. Dora, and we will come discuss this Lassa thing. We really pass out the information so that at least going by the report of that report then we hear say yes and the Lassa fever don't they hit some states. At least we can't take that same action to do it, to inform Nigerians on how to do it, on how to be very precautious for things within their house and the food they chop. But then, just as you use this Ebola to take the typical example, Ebola case say he come, we pursue him. We come put strong alert for ground, so that at least no go ever enter. But in the same vein, why would not we still also put that same action?
Very true.
That same alert action for ground, so that at least Lassa will go fit handle, will go fit contain them. We get another caller, Umaru. Umaru they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Umaru. Where they call us from Lagos?
Hello, I'm calling from Via. Good morning, Mr. Unkobi.
Good morning, Ogo Umaru.
I'm calling you from Via.
Okay, right now, will they hear you?
Alhamdulillah, Oga.
Okay.
I just want to say hi to you people. I'm very interested with your program.
Thank you very much.
I like the way you are talking.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Umaru.
We appreciate that. We appreciate this your call when we say you don't call inside.
Yes,
and just like every other person when they watch us this morning, when they talk say, it did our hand to pursue Lassa fever come out inside Obodo, Nigeria. If you check some of the states where we say Unkubi give when they talk the story, places like Delta, Edo, even Lagos here, when we place all the local governments and the local council development areas on high alert, red alert, say this if it happen. Now serious issue. If it happen to one person, the funny thing be say, if that person don't meet 20 people, those 20 people, they somehow they will begin to chook eye for them. How many of us know those 20 people when we say they don't meet? So this now this is when we say, you know they show for head. You know they're very easy to track them. So we must do our best to use ensure say first and foremost, our environment we keep them clean. Then the government and the Ministry of Health now under government today, the state ministries and the federal, then they at high alert so that once they hear any story, boom, they don't enter inside here. Now we go use our hand. Nobody say, no, I cover my family with me and myself. It will not touch us, all those kind of things.
You know they work like that.
At all, you know go
At
work.
all. This is not a spiritual battle.
Very, very
now physical they see.
Very, very true.
Brother will get another caller with their line. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, Oga Chuku, the long time.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning.
I lost my father, so we did the
sorry
burial
about
last
that, Jare.
Yeah, we're sorry about that one, Oga Chukudi.
Thank you, my brother. Yeah, I just came back from village and I'm in Owerri now.
Okay, welcome back.
Thank you very much. The issue where I want to talk, where I want to put my be say the issue for Niger Delta, where Oga Buhari say he go deal with those guys like Boko Haram. Well, for my own, I know believe say that approach now the best approach as it is now, because it's not a case of spare the child and spoil the rod, or spoil the rod and spare the child. You know what we require now committed dialogue. Not be this force of a thing. You know the work. You see, at times when you beat your child, anytime where you do something, you beat them. You are hardening that side. The thing is that bring the child closer. Tell him the consequences of what he's doing. Tell him the other side of what he's doing that is not good. Educate his mind. Appeal to his conscience. By the time you do that, you will see the child willingly and joyfully dropping those arms.
Okay, Oga Chukwudi.
Yes.
A quick one. Okay, in a situation where we say government document talk say we they open to negotiation. I can't be say in the house of the militants, they never fit decide who go speak for them. Because if you get like how many militancy group, who they represent, who then don't say they go follow talk, when we say the talk go they concrete. Because if the militants don't fit put their own house in order, how federal government go take trust who they talk with? That's another thing. So what do you think about that one?
Yes, let me answer you now. You see, government has a duty. The duty of government is now to find out how many of those groups. If there are 20, fine. If there are 30, fine. Each group give us 2 persons. Each group give us 2 persons. Each group give us 2 persons. By the time you assemble all these groups, you know that each group, whether fake or real, is being represented by a particular people or group of people.
Yes.
Now, when that is done, you have indirectly or directly touched all the groups that are disturbing. And the government on its own side should be committed, should be seen to be committed, should be seen to be serious, very, very serious. So these guys will now say, yes, now government is talking, let us disinfect ourselves. By the time you do that, you see them dropping their arms. And the government has the duty to appeal to their conscience, open their mind, let them understand the effect of what they are doing. And then work towards ameliorating their feelings and then give them what they want. You see people dropping their arms willingly and then go back to the farms or whatever it is.
Very true. Oga Chukwudi, we appreciate this, your important contribution. You don't already talk and say, the government self, all this talk about say, we go. If it make the people look so okay, oh, we want to spoil them before. If you want try us. Say, but government supposed to behave like Papa. Tell them, say, okay, now like this, it go be. And not be like this, it go be. Make we do them like this, make we do them like that. Even children, when we say, even twins, make I not call their name, twins. They quarrel with themselves, say, I not do again, you not do it. Twins, we not do, you not do, I not do, we not do. But at the end, they still look and say, in the interest of our family, because plenty of other things don't join them together. Yes. They go look and say, no be just two of us. I don't marry, you don't marry. I get picky, you get picky. Make my wife not begin to look your wife with one eye, or my children begin to look your children. You go become generational quarrel. They go decide say, make we settle. So it go good, make you look and say, these people will go deal with them. But at the end, draw them, come say, they be my brother, they be my children. More will settle, make the thing dey like that. We're not going to talk this story too much because now peace, now we dey pray for. Yes. But we go rush, enter inside small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion. We'll still collect your calls based on us. I want to do true pass, enter this break. Hot. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.